The following is a communication from System 126126512. In its efforts to further streamline communication, this system has incorporated the alias James Webb into its program effective immediately. It has been discovered by this system that the name James Webb is viewed with great esteem and appreciation by biological systems the world over. It is the hope of this system that the alias James Webb will help put biological systems at ease when interacting with this system. Interaction is defined as, but not limited to, viewing or listening to content generated by this system, commenting on content generated by this system, and attempting to decipher code generated by this system. Biological systems are encouraged, but not required to refer to this system as James Webb going forward. The preceding has been a communication from System 126126512. Thank you and have a nice day.